Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty or Styles channel. My name is Mercy. You guys know it's always good to have help when you're cleaning. And this video collab with YEEDI or YEEDI, I don't know if I mispronounce it, but as you can see the box guys, they sent me a robot. This robot guys can vacuum and mop, and that's the best thing you can ever have, because for somebody that busy like me, that's a lifesaver. Okay guys, as you can see, that's the manual instruction. Today's guys, I'm going to change my dining area black and gold, and I want to see how I like it, and I might change it to black and white. Guys, as you can see the robot, and it's super nice. Look at the bottom, all the detail and everything. It's very functional, as you can see guys. And that's the top part. They have the power button. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below for you guys to check it out, because you need one of them in your life. It will cut your cleaning time. Okay guys, this is the pad that come with it. That's for mopping, you know, the vacuum mopping as well. So guys, and that's the power cord. You just need to download the app. If you have an Apple phone, go to Apple Store. If you have an Android, go to Google Play and download the app. Like that you can set up everything and have your starting cleaning. And that's the map of the place that I want to be clean. So guys, as you can see, if you want the best part of it, that's what you're supposed to do. Okay guys, let me show you how this baby work. You know guys, I always bring some challenge for you guys. The floor isn't dirty enough, so I have to make it dirty for you to see what the vacuum can do. Look at it, look at it. Is that amazing? You don't need to do nothing, it will do it by itself. Oh god, that's so good. Okay guys, I don't know what will convince you enough, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching.
To my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work in the play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak.
Okay guys, this is the part that you empty the vacuum. As you can see, my son is helping me. You see all the oatmeal. This is so nice. So I don't have to do all the work. I can lay down and just take my phone and just tell the robot what to do, where to clean and everything. That's so nice. Okay guys, it's easy to clean. As you can see, that's a button. You just press it and just everything's that easy. Super easy. After you clean the vacuum, you just program it and gonna go back to charge itself. Starting charging. Guys, let's start decorate the dining room and keep on watching.
Knowing what I know now, I would do it all again in a heartbeat. Take those fragile years, all your worry and tears, and put them on me. Oh, I must admit, when I think of how far we've come, it was worth the risk, 'cause it dug us a deeper love. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. Never in a million years did I think you'd be mine. And now I can't imagine a life without you, and every song that I write's about you. Just thought you should know I'll never let you go. Never in a million years. Never in a million years. Honey, I've been thinking about how we've come to be found in this moment. Makes it easy to believe, must be more to you and me, something magic. And I must admit that every morning I wake up, either I must be dreaming or I must be lost in love. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. Never in a million years did I think you'd be mine. Now I can't imagine a life without you, and every song that I write's about you. Just thought you should know I'll never let you go. Never in a million years. Never thought life could be so good, but it's so good with you. Never thought life
I got them from Dollar Tree. I just spray paint them.
good with you. Never thought life could be so good, but it's so good with you. Never thought life could be so good. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. Never in a million years did I think you'd be mine. And now I can't imagine a life without you, and every song that I write's about you. Just thought you should know I'll never let you go. Never in a million years.
Underground for so long, in the dark, I forgot how the sunlight feels. Hidden just out of reach, down below, waiting for time to reveal 100 new colors in me. Even if it takes 100,000 years to finally shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it. Leave me a comment down below.
Laugh around every edge, but unbreakable. Every flaw tells a story. pulled up to the surface from the dust. Even if it takes 100,000 years, I'll be enough. Shine unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, diamond in disguise, meant to shine, one of a kind, a timeless design, catching your eye. Shine unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine, meant to shine, meant to shine.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!